equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely disassembling your HP EliteBook 850G6 without causing any damage. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the base. Be sure to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. With the back cover off, you'll see the internal components. Begin by inspecting the motherboard for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it may be time to replace the motherboard. If you're unsure, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice before making any decisions. Next, carefully disconnect the battery. This is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts while you work on the device. Remove the screws securing the battery and lift it out gently. Now, you can access the RAM and storage drives. If you need to replace or upgrade these components, simply unscrew them and pull them out. After addressing any issues with the RAM or storage, it's time to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fans and heatsinks. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Remember, a clean laptop runs better and lasts longer. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Once you've completed your repairs or upgrades, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Start by placing the battery back in its compartment and securing it with screws. Reconnect any cables you may have disconnected during the process. Then, carefully align the back cover and press it down until it clicks into place. Finally, replace all the screws to ensure everything is secure. Before powering on the laptop, double-check that all components are properly connected and that no screws are left over. Once you're satisfied, reconnect the power and turn on the device. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your HP EliteBook 850G6. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any work. This way, you can make informed decisions about your laptop repairs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.